Hello everyone, and welcome to our first DNB training session. Today what we're going to do is focus on helping your credit department become a much more proactive group as opposed to a reactive group. And today's session is actually going to focusing on the monitoring portion of the DNBi program. So with our DNBi program, you're eligible to have access to our dashboard tab, companies tab, and monitoring tab. What we're actually going to do is show you how you can actually set alerts up based off your own criteria so that you're notified of changes on the customers that you've pulled information on. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to actually manage the information to which you'll get the alerts. Within the Companies tab, which I just clicked into, is a listing of all of the folders that you would have access to. There are some that are pre-populated by DNB, but you can create as many folders as you would need to based off however you segment your customer groups. So you could segment them by customer product line, by geography, by sales rep, however you need to. And then once we create these folders, we actually save each report that you would have into one of the folders. Okay? The second piece of this is to actually click on the monitoring tab. So within this function, there's actually two ways that you can monitor the information in these reports. The first is right through the tool by logging into it and clicking onto this tab right here. The second is through the alert options feature. So we're actually going to go into this alert options right now, and within this program is all of the different data elements within DNB that you can be monitored on. Whether it's our DNB predictive scores, as you can see here, whether it's a DNB Paydex score. One of the really neat things about this as well is you can be actually notified of positive changes in their predictive scores or Paydex scores as well. So not only just business deterioration, but also if someone's trending in a more positive direction. The final piece is at the bottom, where we can again select whatever criteria that you want to be alerted of. As a best demonstrated practice, always suits, liens, judgments, bankruptcies would be a very key thing that you would want to be alerted of. And then when you're actually setting up this profile, what you can do is actually click this button right here where it says include an email. That is a great way to manage all of your alerts. What will happen is once you will set up your profile and then apply it to a folder, which I will show you in a second, you will be notified by us via email with one email per day of all of the companies that you're monitoring. Okay? Once you actually select whatever criteria you need here, we would go up to the top and we would name that. In this case, the name of this one is actually severe only. And then at the bottom, we would save that. Okay, and going back up to the top, I'm going to go back and click on companies. Now the profile that I just set up can be applied to any one of the folders that you see here. So for instance, you could see my folder marked 2014. It's listed as a standard alert profile right now. Well, if I wanted to change that to the severe only that I just created, I can simply click the edit button, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up in a couple seconds a screen where I can pick which of the folders or which of the alert profiles that I have set up already. So as you can see, it's already set to the standard. I'm going to click and change that to severe only. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. It's going to run through. And now you can see my 2014 folder is actually set to the alert profile severe only. So it's just a great way to become more proactive without even the possibility of you logging into this tool. So if this is a tool that maybe you're not utilizing on a daily basis, it's extremely important and extremely beneficial that you get notifications on the customers that you're doing business with. And this is a great way to do that via email or throughout the tool as well. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.